Good day everyone. This is my report, laying concrete block to the line. So the first slide is concrete hollow blocks in Philippines construction. So in Philippine construction, concrete hollow blocks or CHB are widely used because they are affordable, durable, and easy to install. So dito sa Pilipinas is ang kadalasan ginagamit sa paggawa ng walls or bahay ay ang CHB. Standard HB dimensions are usually 400 mm to 200 mm with thickness of 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch and 8-inch. The 4-inch is commonly used for interior partitions and light walls. 5-inch HB are standard residential exterior walls. 6-inch HB for stronger exterior walls, fences, and commercial buildings, while 8-inch HB is used for heavy-duty and industrial structures. HB remains popular in the Philippines because it is cost-effective, fire-resistant, and suitable for reinforced wall system. So next slide, the tools used in block laying. So the first is mason's trowel or dito sa Pilipinas tinatawag nating palita. Ang mason's trowel is a hand tool used in masonry and construction for spreading, scoping, shaping, and smoothing mortar or cement when laying bricks. So, ito ang ginagamit natin pang kalat or pang shape ng cement. So, next is spirit level. Ang spirit level is ginagamit para makita kung pantay ang alignment ng sa HB na nilalagay natin. Sunod is plumb bob. A plumb bob construction tool used to check whether a wall, post, or structures is perfectly vertical. Plumb. So yung next slide is Mason's line and line blocks. Mason's line and line blocks are masonry tools used together to keep walls straight, level, and properly aligned during brick, stone, or concrete hollow blocks or HB laying. A Mason's line is a stronger nylon or string cord stretched tightly between 2 points. So, Mason's line is ang ang tansi na tinatawag dito sa atin. So, the line blocks are small corner blocks or holders. So, itong line blocks is di naman masyado ginagamit dito sa Pilipinas or sa atin. So next is measuring tape. A measuring tape or tape measure is a flexible tool used to measure length, width, height, and distance in construction and carpentry. It usually consists of a marked metal or fiberglass tape that rolls into a case. So next slide, preparing the base or footing. Preparing the base or footing involves ensuring the foundation is level and fully cured, cleaning the surface from debris and accurately marking wall layout lines using proper measuring tools. This step ensure correct alignment, strong bonding, and the stability before installing concrete hollow blocks or CHB. In the Philippine construction, proper footing preparation is essential to prevent structural problems such as cracks and uneven walls. Next slide is setting the mason's line. So, sa settings the mason's line is the process of stretching a strong string between two fixed points, usually corners, to serve a guide for straight and level construction work, especially when laying concrete hollow blocks or CHB. So, attach the line to the corner points using line blocks or nails. Stretch it tightly to avoid sagging adjust it to the correct height and alignment. So ang purpose is ensures walls are straight and properly aligned and maintain consistent height and level of each course. Tapos, improves accuracy during masonry works. So next slide is spreading the mortar for sage belaying. Spreading the mortar for sage belaying is the process of applying a workable layer of mortar on a surface, usually the footing or previous block course before placing concrete hollow blocks or CHB. So it is provide strong bonding between blocks and help level and align the CHB. So next, placing the concrete block. Placing the concrete hollow block or CHB is the process of setting each block into a prepared mortar bed to form a straight and stable wall. So ang basic step is check alignment, check alignment lines, apply mortar bed, set the first block, tap into position, maintain spacing, continue laying blocks. So so check alignment, make sure the mason's line is layout marks are accurate. Sa apply mortar bed naman po is spread the spread a fresh, even layer of mortar where the block will be placed. So the set the first block is place it carefully on the mortar following the line and level. So the next slide na is filling vertical joints in CHB. Filling vertical joints. Vertical joints in CHB laying in the process of applying mortar into the vertical spaces between adjacent concrete hollow blocks to ensure strong bonding and stability of the wall. So, how it is done. Place the CHB properly. Set the block side by side with a consistent gap. Number 2 is prepare mortar. Use a workable cement sand mixture. Number 3, apply mortar on the vertical joints. Use a trowel to push mortar in the gap between blocks. Number 4, fill completely. Make sure there are no voids or air spaces inside the joint. Number 5, smooth joint, level and finish the excess mortar for a net appearance. Number 6, check alignment, ensure the block remains straight and properly aligned after filling. Properly filled vertical joints help improve wall strength, durability, and resistance to cracking or water penetration. So, yun lamang po. Thank you everyone and God bless. Thank you.